coffee. So it stopped raining. Good morning, magandang umaga from the Philippines. So I haven't posted any new vlogs for more than a month now. My bad, sorry about that. The reason is I've been busy. I just started a new job, yay! So for those of you who know me, I work in IT. So I'm a tech guy. I've been doing that for many years now. Worked in 2 different companies in New York, doing tech support, database management, email management, and support. And then moved to Chicago, worked there for about 8 years before I moved back here in the Philippines. So about a month ago, I accepted a job with Accenture. It's a big company. So some of you are familiar with that. It's a multinational professional services company that specializes in IT consulting. So they're very big in Southeast Asia and in the Philippines also. Like they have offices in the north, Ilocos region, and in Manila, of course, the capital. They have many offices here in Alabang, in Philinvest Alabang, Makati, I think, BGC, yeah, and Quezon City or Cubao, I think. So, and in the south, in Cebu, I always wanted to go to Cebu. Yeah, it's big. So I've been working with Accenture for more than a month now. Basically, just work from home because that's what everybody's doing right now. We didn't have a notice yet to return back to the office. So most of the time, just here, working at home. So I got this welcome kit from Accenture. So nice of you, Accenture. They got here. Got this or a water bottle with wood design. I like that. Pen with wood design too. That's nice. And a notebook. Check it out. And of course they sent me my laptop. It's an HP. Work remotely. Work from home. And since I mentioned work from home, so probably we can talk about healthy tips. We'll probably do that in this vlog. Healthy tips on working from home, or things that you can do to keep yourself healthy while working from home. So a lot of you are working from home, I know, ever since this COVID happened. So let's do that. Alright, tip number 1, eat a healthy diet. So kailangan maraming fruits and vegetables. So lots of fruits and vegetables, that's important. Whole grains, poultry, chicken, fish, just keep it healthy. And never ever skip breakfast. So me personally, it's the most important meal. And without breakfast, if I don't take any breakfast, I feel different. So breakfast important. Tip number 2, keep yourself hydrated. So drinking enough fluid will prevent you from dehydration. Water is the best beverage, but moderate amount of tea or coffee is really good too. But water is the best. So just try to avoid sugary drinks like soda or energy drinks. Keep yourself hydrated. Let's go, come on. Now you can chase your dog around as a form of exercise. Tip number 3, schedule regular exercise. Exercise has both physical and psychological benefits. So one suggestion was you replace the time that you give to commuting. For example, before the pandemic, for example, if you commute 1 to 2 hours a day, so replace that with exercising at home. And also try not to sit all the time because it's really bad for your posture. If you can find a high table or a counter put your computer there and work from there, so you're not sitting all the time. It's important to keep that work-life balance, especially if you're working from home. So what this means is you set up boundaries. You need to have your separate workspace, right, so that you can concentrate better with your work. You have to set up some time separation also. It's like working in the office also. You need time for breaks, like 15 minutes, 30 minutes break or lunch break. Basically, don't bring your work after office hours. So that gives you like a separation. You need to have this mental separation. So after work, you forget about work, So don't mix work with your family time or time that you spend with the family. This would strengthen your mental separation from work. So if it's work, it's work. And if it's time for your family or other things you need to do outside of work, then concentrate on it. Concentrate on relaxation, recharging your energy. So that is it, guys. A short video for you about healthy tips when working from home. I hope you enjoyed the short video. Take care of yourself, keep safe, and I'll see you on the next one.